Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable light mode in Microsoft Word. Is your Microsoft Word in dark mode and you want to switch it back to light mode? I'll show you how to change the theme quickly. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Word and then create an account. Or you can go to options right here and go to display and look for the theme options. You can see you can customize the ribbons, the font size, etc. But if you go to display, you're gonna see the display options. But as you can see, there isn't any themes or available. You can also go to file and then account. As for the second step is to change the office theme. Now under office theme, select white or colorful to enable light mode. Let's look for it in the search bar. Let's look for office theme. As you can see here, the theme color. And you can choose the theme color from the office. Let's go here. Let's look for customized color. And you can choose from dark to light, etc. And click on save. Now if you're using Windows in dark mode like I am, you may need to change your system settings. And to do that, just go to search for dark mode and click here on choose your mode here and choose light. And as you can see, Word will automatically turn to light mode. The third step is to adjust the page background if needed. Now if your document's background is still dark, go to design, then go to page color and then choose a white color. This ensures your page appear in light mode. The colorful theme keeps a modern UI with some blue accents, and if Word keeps switching back to dark mode, check Windows display settings. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you enable light mode in Word. Switch to white or colorful mode and change the page background if necessary. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.